Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftGPT. What if you could create full AI videos with better quality, more control, and at a fraction of the cost? Most creators jump straight into generating videos and end up wasting credits, time, and energy. But what if I told you there's a smarter workflow that changes everything? In this video, we're testing a powerful AI platform called Topview. And more importantly, I'll show you a complete workflow using GPT Image 2 for storyboard creation and Cendense 2.0 for video generation. So you can create AI videos faster, cheaper, and with way more control. Create idea and storyboard. Let's start from scratch. Instead of jumping straight into video generation, we begin with something smarter, a storyboard. Inside Topview, I'll open the storyboard tool. Now here's the key. Instead of writing a full script, I'll just describe a simple idea. For example, a cinematic scene of a confident young man holding a skincare product, soft lighting, modern bathroom, realistic style. Now I hit generate, and instantly, GPT Image 2 creates a full visual storyboard. This is powerful because now I can actually see the scene before turning it into a video. And this is where most people go wrong. They skip this step and waste credits generating random videos. Storyboard to video. Now let's turn this into a real video. I'll go to Agent V2. Here I upload the storyboard image as a reference. Now instead of guessing, the AI already understands what I want. I'll add a simple motion prompt, slow camera push-in, natural hand movement, cinematic lighting, and now generate. And look at this. We now have a clean, controlled AI video that actually matches our idea. This is the difference. Instead of random outputs, you're directing the AI like a filmmaker. Extend the video. Now let's take it further. Because one clip isn't enough. Using the multi-scene extension feature, I can expand this into a longer video. I'll add another prompt. The subject slightly turns, smiles, and presents the product. Generate again. Now we're building a sequence, not just a clip. And this is how you go from one idea to a complete AI video story. Ultra plan breakdown. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where it gets interesting. Topview's new Ultra plan is built for creators who generate at scale. You get unlimited GPT Image 2 for 365 days and Cendense 2.0 at one of the lowest costs, around $0.1 per second. There's also an unlimited mode for full year generation. So if you're serious about AI content, this can save you a lot in the long run. Honest thoughts plus tips. My honest take, this workflow actually makes a big difference. But here are some quick tips. Always start with a clear visual idea, keep your prompts simple and focused, and use storyboard as your foundation, not optional. So yeah, that's how you can create full AI videos, using a smarter, more efficient workflow from idea to storyboard to final video. And honestly, what makes Topview stand out is how simple yet powerful the entire process feels. You're not just generating random clips, you actually get real control over your scenes, your visuals, and your final output. The combination of GPT Image 2 for storyboarding and Cendense 2.0 for video generation makes the whole workflow feel smooth, fast, and surprisingly cost-efficient. And with the new Ultra plan offering things like unlimited GPT Image 2 and one of the lowest video generation costs, it's clearly built for creators who want to scale without constantly worrying about credits. Also, check out the link in the description to explore Topview and test these features yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.